Is it time to buy or sell DraftKings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into DraftKings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 26th of September, 2025, our system has classified DraftKings as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.81. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has suffered a decline of 16.92%. This results in an average loss of 4.23% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 1,350 0.1% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 1,350 0.1% to 37.2%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 7.69%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 3.05% to 71.55% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $36.23 and $60.32. Our latest daily update for DraftKings includes the headline: DraftKings stock price fell more than 5.99% Wednesday, closing at $35.16. The DraftKings stock price decreased by 5.99% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, dropping from $37.40 to $35.16. This marks 7 consecutive days of decline. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 8.58%, with a low of $35.05 and a high of $38.06. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 17.54% over this period. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which typically indicates a positive sign, as volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, trading volume fell by 12 million shares, with a total of 33 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.16 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $53.61, while the lowest price was $29.64. Currently, the price is 34.42%, or $18.45, below the 52-week high, and 52.73%, or $39.22, below the all-time high reached on the 22nd of March, 2021, when the price peaked at $74.38. DraftKings is navigating a turbulent period following a significant drop of 10% on the 30th of September, attributed to rising competitive pressures in parlays and substantial options activity. However, the current situation presents a mixed picture. Morgan Stanley has labeled the sell-off as excessive and suggests taking advantage of the weakness, which could attract short-term bargain hunters and contribute to stabilizing the stock. On the business front, DraftKings has announced 2 positive developments: a multi-year collaboration with NBC Universal designed to create deep cross-platform integrations across major sports properties, and a seasonally timed Pink'em charity campaign in partnership with the Larry Fitzgerald Foundation, aimed at enhancing brand engagement during key NFL weeks. In the near term, anticipate increased volatility as traders assess competitive risks from new entrants and adjust their positions in response to analyst recommendations. Looking further ahead, the partnership with NBC Universal, along with ongoing marketing and community initiatives, could bolster user acquisition and monetization strategies. If DraftKings executes effectively, revenue growth and margin improvements may regain lost ground and support higher valuations. On the first day of October in the year 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned DKNG a neutral grade, recommending a hold action. On the 24th day of September, in the year 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned DKNG a buy grade, also recommending a hold action. On the same day, the 8th of August, in the year 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned DKNG a hold grade with a recommendation to hold. Still, on the 8th of August, in the year 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned DKNG an overweight grade, recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned DraftKings stock a general strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for DraftKings. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The DraftKings stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which presents a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $40.90 and $44.65. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, August 28, 2025, and so far, it has declined by 27.1%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 24 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 2 days ago. The short-term moving average points to a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average produced a sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average has a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 67 days ago. For more signals, don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for DraftKings. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock could experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with sufficient trading volume, the associated risk is regarded as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.01 between its high and low, which represents an 8.58% change. In the last week, the average daily volatility has been 5.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for DraftKings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio gauges a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios could signify ongoing profitability issues and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at 1 cent. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for DraftKings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for DraftKings is at $37.40. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for DraftKings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On September 12, 2025, Kailash Matthew conducted an insider sale of 21,302 shares of Class A common stock. On September 1st, 2025, Bradbury Eric conducted an insider sale of 2,745 shares of restricted stock units. On September 1st, 2025, Bradbury Eric also conducted an insider purchase of 2,745 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the same day, Bradbury Eric purchased 931 shares of Class A common stock. Furthermore, on September 1st, 2025, Bradbury Eric acquired 139 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a negative insider power with a ratio of negative 43.892. Overall, insiders purchased 617,871 shares and sold 1,637,467 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is DraftKings stock a good buy? Currently, DraftKings displays several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, our evaluation of this stock remains unfavorable. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the present price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 2nd of October, we predict that DraftKings will open higher by 93 cents and commence trading at $36.09. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.